Hey, boys and girls, here we are. Day 8 of November Daily Math. What number am I? Ooh, it's another mystery number. 2 in the ones place, 8 in the hundreds place, 6 in the tens place. So let's see. Ones place, 2. Tens place, 6. And an 8 in the hundreds place. Hey, it's even. They're all even. 8 to 6 and 2. Even number. Ends in a 2. Here we go. 884 minus 299. Okay, let's see here. More on the floor. Borrow from next door. Now, 14 minus 9 instead of 4 minus 9. So we have the 4 and the 1 is a 5. Okay. 7 minus 9. Oh, more on the floor. Borrow from next door. Now we have 17 minus 9. So 7 and 1 is 8. And 7 minus 2, there's more on top. No need to stop. 5. There we are. Now I was also thinking, what if we did 885 minus 300? What would that be? A 5 and an 8 and a 5. Oh, that would be the same, right? I just added 1 to each number to make it a little easier. Yeah. In the table above, how many more kids like grapes than raisins? So let's see. First, we're going to need the total for grapes, right? Because that's asking how many more kids, not girls or boys, but it's total between both. So, how many more kids like grapes? How many kids like grapes? Well, 5 plus 4 is 9. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So that's our grapes, right? And our raisins, 10 plus 5 is 15. But it says how many more, so we're going to compare the 29 and the 15 now. Now we got to figure out what is the difference between those. So we're going to say 9 minus 5, there's more on top, no need to stop. There's a 4. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So there are 14 more kids like grapes than raisins. All right, complete the first fact, then write 3 related facts. So we're doing that fact triangle right now. Remember that? Basically all we're doing right here. So 5 times 7, we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Do you remember doing that one a few problems ago? Yeah, I remember doing that too. 7 times 5 was 35. No, you don't remember? I do. So here, remember? 5 times 7, 35. That was day 2. Yeah. So that means if 5 times 7 is 35, that means 7 times 5 also equals 35. Anybody know the name of the property that is? That we can change 5 times 7 or 7 times 5? I wonder if someone can let me know what the name of that is. You might get a bonus. Yeah. So that means we also got to take the big number. 35 divided by 5 is 7. And 35 divided by 7 equals 5. So remember, we kind of flip-flop the 5 and the 7. And we flip-flop the 5 and the 7. All right. If you multiply an even number by an even number, what do you always get? It's kind of like you're adding an even number and an even number. A 2 plus a 4, a 4 plus an 8, a 0 plus a 6. It's always even. 2 evens are always even. Add 2 evens, it's always even. Multiply 2 evens, always even. So, another even number. Okay? All right, there you go. So, write your score down, and we'll see you tomorrow.